Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this beautiful crochet flower pattern. You can make them in any color combination that you want. This is how they look on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start by making a magic ring like this. Chain 1 and start with a single crochet into the ring. Then chain 1. This combination of stitches will count as our first double crochet. We will make 11 more double crochets so that we have a total of 12 double crochets. So now let's do the second one. Yarn over, two, three, and we will continue in the same way until we have 12. Now that we have completed all 12 double crochets, we will close the ring and we will join the work. But first we will cut the yarn and before joining the work we will pull the yarn like this and we will bring it into the first stitch in this way. So this is our first stitch, is the one right above the first double crochet that we have made, this loop, and we will take the yarn this go into the back and pull the yarn through this way we have a nice edge. I have waved in my ends and now I will join the new color. You can start in any of the stitches that you want, and we will bring the yarn like this. We will start by chaining 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will continue to work into the same stitch and we will make 7 half completed triple crochets. For this we will yarn over twice and we will pull the yarn through the next 2 and we will stop here. So this is a half completed triple crochet. Let's do 6 more. So yarn over twice, yarn over, pull the yarn through 2 and through the next 2. So our second half completed triple crochet is done. Again we yarn over twice, three, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. So we have now 7 half completed triple crochets on our hook, and now we will yarn over and pull the yarn through one stitch, one loop, and next yarn over and pull through 2 for the remaining stitches on the hook. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and so on. Next, we will work into the spaces created between the triple crochets, and we will skip the first one here, this one, and we will work 3 single crochets into these spaces. So 1, 2, and 3. Here into this space we will work one more single crochet, but before this we will chain 2, 1, 2, and into the same space we will make a second single crochet. We will continue to make 3 more single crochets into the next 3 spaces. 1, 2, and 3. We will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will slip stitch this chain into the same stitch here. And our first petal is ready. Next, we will skip the next stitch and we will work our next petal into this stitch. So we have worked the first one into the stitch corresponding to the double crochet from below, this one. We will skip this one and we will work into this one, and we will start by slip stitching into this stitch, and we will do it in the same way by starting with chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make 7 half completed triple crochets into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one, 7. We will yarn over and pull through 1, yarn over and pull through 2 for the remaining loops on the hook. Then we will skip the first space and work into the second, into the next one single crochet, and we will make 2 more and 3, chain 2, 1, 2, and into the same space we will make a second single crochet, and we will continue with 3 more single crochet into each of the following spaces. 1, 2, and 3. We will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will slip stitch into the same stitch, and again for the next petal we will skip the next stitch and work into this one, and we will slip stitch again and continue in the same way. Repeat the same pattern as we did for these two. In total we should have 6 petals, so these two here will be the third one, skip this one, 4 petal, skip this one, 5, skip this one, and here should be the last, the 6th. So I have only one petal left to make. So I will go into this stitch and slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make 7 half completed triple crochets. Should have now 8 loops on the hook. Pull through, yarn over, pull through 1 and pull through 2 for the remaining stitches. Skip first 3 single crochets, 2, 3, chain 2 into the second single crochet into the same space, and 3 more single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go into the same stitch and slip stitch, and we will chain 1 at the back of the work here to close the work, and we will cut the yarn. Wave in the ends, and here we have our flower. I already have it in another combination of colors. This is how it looks on the back. You can leave the petals curly, or if you place them like this, they will be more flat. It depends on how you want them to look. Happy crocheting!